Hello students, now we are going to solve one more problem of this chapter DC circuit envelopment. This problem is also asked in board examination 2009. According to the problem, find the value of resistance X. We have to find the value of this resistance X in the given circuit so that junction point M and N are at the same potential. It means the potential of point M is equal to potential of point N. See how can we solve it? Students, this is again a Wheatstone bridge in which we can assume this resistance is P, this is Q, this is R, this is S. But it is not compulsory to assume every time P, Q, R, S. We can assume R1, R2, R3, R4. And if this R1 by R2 is equal to R3 by R4, then again this is a Wheatstone bridge, balanced Wheatstone bridge. So I will assume it R3 and this as R4. So at the place of this P by Q equal to R by S, I am going to write R1 by R2 equal to R3 by R4. If it is so, then it is a balanced Wheatstone bridge. So I am going to check what is the value of R1 by R2 and what is the value of R3 by R4. So I am going to check the value of R1 by R2. The value of this R1 by R2 is 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Suppose this is equation number 1. Now the value of R3 by R4. R3 by R4 is equal to X by 15. X by 15. Suppose this is equation number 2. If it is so, then this will be a balanced Wheatstone bridge. If these two values are same, then this will be a balanced Wheatstone bridge, and in that condition, the potential of point M will be equal to potential of point N. So in the problem it is given that potential of point M is equal to potential of point N. So we can say it is a Wheatstone bridge, balanced Wheatstone bridge. So in balanced Wheatstone bridge, this R1 by R2 must be equal to R3 by R4. So one can write this 2 by 5 is equal to X by 15. 5 to 15 cancel, it is equal to 3. Therefore the value of X will be equal to 3 to the 6 ohm. The value of X is 6 ohm. So this is the answer of this question. The value of resistance X is equal to 6 ohm. Thank you.